You don't know what love is. If you don't put up a fight, you don't know what love is. If you don't stay up all night crying, you don't know what love is. If you told it all a million times, and you say you know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh.
Hello, what's up? It's your girl Deshanae D, California Beauty XO, whatever you want to call me. Okay, so I'm coming at you guys today with a video showing you how I apply falsies, false lashes, strip lashes, whatever you call them. I want to show you guys today how I apply them using some of my favorite lashes. Okay, so my favorite lashes that I've been wearing currently are the Slaaayhigh lashes by my girl Juliana Elise. What's up, girl? How you doing? Yeah, so she went ahead and dropped these off to me so that I can try them out and give y'all the tea on how they work out and let y'all know what they look like and all the above. So basically I'm just gonna get right into it so y'all can just see what we're working with over here. Okay, first and foremost, I just want to display the detailing that she went in on the, you know, little package that she dropped it off in. It's a cute purple bag, and everything on her page is purple themed, like purple and turquoise kind of theme, which turquoise is my favorite color and I love purple too. Like, it matches my purple lighting right there, and yeah, I love it. It's so cute, and she has her little logo and everything, so I think that's actually pretty dope. Like, yes, okay, come through packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the things that came inside of this baggie. So the first thing is just this box. I'm gonna set the rest of it right here on my little table. This box, I have no clue what's in it. I don't know anything because I just, oh snap. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. I got a little mirror. I did not expect that. I didn't know she was gonna give me the mirror. Thanks, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna peel off the little protective paper that came on it, and yes, okay. She did that. It has Slaaayhigh on it. It feels really nice. I like this. Yeah, so when you're applying your lashes, you can, you know, keep it in your purse if you need to, and make sure your shit's not like lifting or anything. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love this. Thanks, girl. This is really nice. I love the matte finish too. It's like not shiny, it's like a matte finish. So yeah, I love that. I love that. Okay, so I got a little mirror. Let's see what else is in this bag of goodies. Okay, and then I have the lashes, and also it comes with a little spoolie, and she also added a lighter in there. And you know, we always need a lighter. Like, you know, you always need a lighter, especially when you have a bunch of lighter thieves out there. Y'all know who y'all are. But anyways, yeah, this is definitely gonna come in handy, and it's pink too, so thanks for that. Okay, so these are the lashes. I'm gonna get really close with the lashes so you can see them. These are so fucking, I mean, excuse my French, but these are so fucking bomb. Yeah, and so this is the back of the packaging, and it's so cute. It says her logo, like everything is like, you know, it's like cohesive. So these are the things that I got. So yeah, these are really sweet. I love that. And then also there's a little card in here. I hope it's okay for me to read out loud. Let me take my sip. It has my name on it. And ooh, it says thank you. How sweet. Ooh, she wrote me a whole note. Okay, so it says at the top, whether it's baby steps or big steps, at least you're moving forward. Okay, a little motivational quote. I love that, and that will be motivation for you guys. I'm gonna use that quote in this video. Whether it's baby steps on applying these lashes or big steps, you know what you're doing. hopefully you are just moving forward and learning, okay? That's all that matters when it comes to makeup, you know, anything beauty related, period. Okay, moving on. Deshanae, thank you for being a slay baby. I created this brand for anyone who loves to slay above the haters, and I know you will do just that. I genuinely appreciate your support. I have prayed blessings over my products as well as anyone who receives them. Stay slayed up, and most of all, stay prayed up. Don't forget to slay high or slay. Oh, don't forget to hashtag slay high or hashtag slay baby for a chance to be featured. So if you guys ever wear her lashes and you want to post it somewhere, just go ahead and hashtag slay baby or slay high, and yeah, she'll go ahead and feature you on her page so that everybody can see all of your slays and, you know, rocking her lashes as well, honey. That's why I have a little cute purple moment, because I'm gonna slay these lashes and take some pictures. You know, I'm gonna hashtag, you know, my girl, and you know, we're all winning around here. So yes, go ahead and follow her on Instagram at Slaaayhigh. That's spelled, don't forget the spelling, S-L-A-A-A. That's 3 A's, count them, Y-H-I-G-H. So S-L-A-A-A-Y-H-I-G-H on Instagram. Go ahead and follow her and get you some bomb lashes, because these babies sold out last time, and we ain't trying to have that, you know, that missed opportunity. So you gotta hop on that. Yes. Okay, so now let's get into applying these baddies. I like to apply my lashes with tweezers, so I went ahead and grabbed just some regular tweezers, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this boy up. Ooh, let me get the hairs out of my face now. Hold up now. So I'm gonna grab my lashes, and I'm gonna grab the spoolie too to make sure, because, you know, when I do my makeup, I kind of get fallout on my lashes, so I like to just flick away some of the fallout. So I'm gonna use the spoolie for that. And then you can also keep the spoolie too to like brush your hairs up if you ever need to do that when you're doing your brows, and then also to like fade the front to make sure they're not like super boxy or anything. Please don't walk around with box brows. Please don't do that. After I used my spoolie to get away all the fallout from my eyelashes, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove them from the box and the tray with my tweezers. And this is in the style Slaaayhigh. So this is what the back looks like. It looks pretty legit with the logo and everything. I love that. So yeah, that's what they look like. And one more time in the box, this is what they look like. Ooh, cute. I love how these lashes are just so freaking fluffy. You know these about to be bomb. Like, what? These are, ooh, girl, I can't wait. I'm gonna be wearing these out. I don't care if I'm in the house. Look at me. I don't care if I'm in the house. I'm gonna rock these lashes, period. So I wanna grab it from the edge, and I wanna pull it from the edge up like that. Kind of grab it from the middle. You wanna grab it section by section so you don't mess up your lash. And grab it out like that. Once I have it, like once I get it out of the container and I have it, like in my hand obviously, I like to grab it in the middle like this. I don't even know if this is really important, but I'm gonna just be very thorough so y'all get the gist of everything. I personally don't like to grab it out with my fingers and just, why didn't you just use it, grab it with your fingers and blah blah, because I just don't want to rip it. I'm gonna use my tweezers so I can perfectly grab it from the edge without messing up the actual lash. But once you have it actually out, you can just hold it like this, grab your tweezer and kind of get it in there and hold on to it like this. I grab it in the middle like that, and I want to grab it really close. If you hold it like all the way down here, you can see it's just gonna be dangling everywhere, and it's gonna be hard for you to place it exactly where you need it to be. So don't just see how it's just wobbling everywhere. Don't hold it from the very end. You want to hold it from the base with your tweezers. So that's how I do it. Now, if you don't have any tweezers and you want to apply your lashes with your fingers, or you're just used to applying your lashes with your fingers, go right ahead. I feel like I get more precision when I use tweezers, but the same thing applies. If you're going to use your fingers, you hold it from the base. Don't hold it from way back here, because I feel like it's not going to be exactly where you want it to be. So personally, I like to hold it closest to the base as possible, in the middle. Not on the edges, in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the glue. So basically what I like to do is I'll get like an eyeshadow brush. I have everything in my hand right here. So I'll get like an eyeshadow brush, and this is so janky because I've literally been having the same brushes for a long time because that's just how good they are. Anyways, I like to grab the end of a eyeshadow brush and I dip it into my glue. I make sure I get enough glue. And then I apply it on the band. So I really don't know how much I apply. I literally just apply enough to where I know it's gonna stay. I kind of feel like this would probably be too much. Like, you see how it's glopped? So I like to kind of thin it out and make sure it's just like a nice thin layer. So I apply that glue, and I'm using hair glue. Use whatever glue you think is good for you. Use whatever you think is safe for you. I've never had a reaction or issue with hair glue on my eye. So use it at your own discretion. It may or may not pull out your lashes, but that's your business, okay? Let me mind mine. So once I got it on there, I kind of want to work a little fast because this glue can dry pretty fast. So I'm gonna figure out which one is the one that I want to be on what side. And I feel like I'm gonna apply this one on this eye. So I want to get my mirror really, really close. And then what I do is, let me come a little closer. What I do is I hold my mirror down here and I look down. I have my lashes in an upward angle where I'm gonna apply them. And I have it held in the middle. And I'm gonna just get on top of my lashes and press. Don't get them on your lashes. You wanna get them above your lashes. And you wanna get it on your skin. And once you get it down in the middle, then you can adjust the edges. While adjusting the edges, I hold it down for just a few more seconds than I would normally. Than I did in the middle, at least. And I press it down because I want to make sure these edges stay, because edges be loving to pop up on you, like especially in the middle of the day when you've been wearing your lashes all day and you think you bomb, but then oop, the edge is popping up on you, sis. So you want to hold that down for a few extra seconds. And that's what it's looking like so far. Oh my god, I'm in love. The only thing I will have to do for my personal eye shape is cut this little extra piece off. So that's something you want to do. Personally, I don't like to cut them before I put them on my face. I cut them after. I put them on my face first, and I cut them after they're applied so I can like really see exactly where. So I could just take this whole thing off, trim them, and then put them back on. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just trim them while they're on my face, because that's what I just like to do that because I'm extra. I want it to be nice and custom. So I'm gonna go grab some mini scissors, and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna cut this like at an angle. You literally do not have to do all these extra steps. Like, you can literally just take the whole thing off, trim it, and then put it back on. Since I'm just lazy and I just don't want to do that, I'm gonna just trim the actual hairs while it's on my face. Do this at your own discretion. Don't go around telling people, yo, Daishnay told me to cut my hair and I did it while I was on my face and I got hair in my eye and then I went blind. Don't do that. Just do it at your own discretion, okay? You can see that once I trimmed it down, it looks so much better. And I kind of did it at an angle so that it's not, you know, just a blunt cut. But yeah, I think I had to do this with my my first set of lashes by her, because I don't know, my eyes are small, I guess. It's always a little bit too long for me in the front. And that's what pretty much any eyelashes. So yeah, this is what it's looking like, booty. Yes! These are bomb. This is what the first one's looking like. I love. So yeah, let me go ahead and just do the same thing for the other one, and then you can kind of just watch. So while I have you right here in this step, basically, I'm gonna show you what it looks like to just trim off the front part. And so I'm just literally just gonna cut it off just like that, and then I'm gonna trim a little bit off the front. So simple, just like that. And that's all you have to do. If it's not on your face, it's a little bit easier. I don't want to cut. Now you could just cut like the whole front edge off, but I feel like that's kind of defeating the purpose because then this part is still long. So I just honestly, I had to trim it just a little bit on the actual hairs, and it should be good. It's that simple. Hold it down. Get to that front. Hold it down. You can kind of press in the middle part with your fingers once it's like literally stuck on there. But this is what she's looking like, and see how that front part is like perfect. It's not like it was before. Another trick I have for you guys is this one's extra fluffy. She was just ready to go off top, and this girl is just, she's just still chilling. Like, she thinks she's still on vacation, but we want to open her up and get her to work. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of brush through this one so it kind of opens up and gets a little bit more fluffy. And yes, now she's looking good. Let me put on some, now you got me hype. I need some more lip gloss. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like. This is like a side profile of the lashes. Yes, she did it again. She did it again. You guys need to get these lashes. Like, what? It's so fluffy. Okay, I'm ready to fly. I'm ready to take flight. Once again, don't forget to follow Slaaayhigh on Instagram. S-L-A-A-A-Y-I-H. Lord, let me start over. S-L-A-A-A-Y-H-I-G-H. Yes, on Instagram. Lord Jesus, I feel like I was in a spelling bee. But yeah, it's Slaaayhigh, Slay with 3 A's, you know. So yeah, if you guys want to get your hands on these, that's where you guys need to go, okay? DM her, let her know which style you want. All her styles are on her Instagram. And you know, these ones that I'm wearing, again, they're Slaaayhigh. They're called Slaaayhigh, named after the brand. So yeah, that's all I have to say. They're bomb, nice and sturdy. They were so easy to apply. You saw how I just popped them right on. Like, they're nice and sturdy but not heavy. So I really love that. Nice and structured. And yeah, I can't say anything else about these things. Like, you could see what I'm working with, okay? So yeah, thank you so much again, Juliana. She did that. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CaliforniaBeautyXO, all one word. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, also look, I'm forgetting about myself. I'm trying to shout her out because she's just so bomb. I forgot about me. Let me take care of me too. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's at CaliforniaBeautyXO. You know, hopefully you're already there and subscribe, but if not, go ahead and subscribe. And then follow me on Instagram. I already shouted out my Instagram. It's at the same handle, CaliforniaBeautyXO. And also follow me on TikTok as well, which is, you guessed it, CaliforniaBeautyXO. So all platforms, CaliforniaBeautyXO. Don't forget to follow me. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you on another slay, okay?